One of the tourist luggage, that is number 11, weighed 20 kg, which is kilograms, and the other one weighed 35 kilograms. 11.1.1. What do you understand by the word tourist? This is very interesting. Integration to another subject, which is tourism. What do you understand by the word tourist? A tourist can be someone who goes or who travels around the country or around the world in order to learn something about the places where he is traveling. And when we check different kinds of tourists, we have two kinds of tourists according to tourism. We have domestic tourists. Those are tourists that just travels in the country, meaning like this one that we have from Johannesburg to Cape Town, from Cape Town to Durban. They are circulating around the country. They are called domestic tourists. But international tourists are those ones that are traveling from other countries to, let's say they are from UK, United Kingdom to South Africa, or they are from America to South Africa or to UK. Those are international. Good. That is the explanation on tourist. How much is the first mentioned tourist going to pay? Remember, the weight is 20 kg. And we were given here that allowance is made for 25 kg luggage per adult fare. So meaning if it's less than 25, it's still the same. It's accommodated in the same price or the same fare of the trip. But the next one, the luggage of the next one is 35 kg. 35 kg, which is extra by 10 kg. And what is it said about that? It says extra luggage can be checked in at the baggage counter for 5 rand per kg. In other words, if it's extra, it will be 5 rand per kg. So, meaning that this tourist is going to dig deeper in the pocket, because now this tourists have to pay extra by 5 rand. So we'll take that 10 kg, we multiply it by 5 rand. Then it will give us 50 rand. Meaning from the 620 paid by this tourist, we have to add another 50 rand because of his or her luggage that is extra by 10 kg. Meaning this tourist will pay extra fare, which will be 670. I hope that is clear and understandable. We proceed to the next question. One of the tourists is from London, and he had to convert the currency used in their country to the one used in South Africa in order to pay for the trip. The exchange rate is 13 rand, which is equals to £1. What is the tourist currency in words? Here, because I said it, you already know the answer. But if you are alone with these questions, then you'll have to know that that sign simply means that it's pounds. Calculate how much pounds did the tourist exchange for the payment of the return trip. We are now concentrating on the exchange rate. I'm not going to do it with you. I'm looking at my time. We'll go back to the presentation on the answers to those ones. These are the answers. We did them. But when we look at this one, we only ended here where we said it's 26 hours. But you can simplify that further 26 hours can be 1 day, 2 hours and 16 minutes. Right. These were the calculations that we did. Of Cape Town to Johannesburg. The one of Johannesburg to Cape Town is on the previous slide. These are some of the reasons that were put down. Good. These are the calculations. But when we look at this one, 39 divided by 60, I just need to verify that one. Okay, 39 divided by 60, it's 0.65, ne? Not the one that I did here. I said it's only 0.6. So it's 0.65. It gives us 52 kilometers instead of 48. Okay, we'll go to that one. Then these are the other calculations that we did. That was the end of our presentation. Good. Let's go back to the question that we just received now. Going back to example number 2. The question said, why did I have to convert the minutes? I'm searching for the question now. Why did I convert the minutes? Why in example number 2 did you substitute the minutes of the starting time and the finishing time? So I don't know which example is that one, but I just want to go to the example number 2. Here is example number 2. Let's start from the beginning. The example said a biker started racing at 7:45 and finished the race at 15:24 on the same day. Calculate the elapsed time. It was the same day. We had to subtract 7:45 from 24 minutes past 3. So the reason we substituted the minutes here, we wanted to simplify this 24 minutes past 3 to take it to minutes in order for our subtraction to be in order. We didn't want to have a negative number when we subtracted. The reason we converted 2 minutes. I hope the question was answered. And recapping, that was all on time. Most of the questions that might be expected. But remember that we said we also have the unfamiliar context where we can deal with traveling according to airways. I just want us to go back to this one. 39 minutes divided by 60. It's 0.65 and not 0.6, which give us the answer of 52 kilometers. Multiply by 80, which is 52 kilometers. You know, you see now you cannot always rely on the calculator because I calculated it. However, I think there was a mistake on punching these buttons. The reason you need to concentrate when you work with your calculator and check thoroughly whether you pressed the right button or not. In conclusion, thank you very much for this opportunity. We are done with times. Hope we meet again next time and we concentrate on another topic. Thank you.